In this video, I'll talk about what you need to get installed if you're on a Mac. There are two things that you need. You'll need R, and then you need RStudio Desktop. It's important to keep these updated, so when an update comes out, have put in an IT request to get it updated. For me, I don't generally go longer than 6 months before updating. Right now, RStudio Desktop is changing a bit because they've switched to POSIT, so you might have to put in an update request a little more frequently than every 6 months. In terms of Quarto, Quarto comes bundled with RStudio. You should be okay with the version it comes bundled with. But if you do need the newest version, the nice thing is you should be able to update it because you can install things at the user level rather than the kind of admin level. R packages, if you're using R, it's absolutely essential that you be able to install to a local user library. You're going to be updating and installing these constantly. You just can't really use R unless you are able to install your packages. If you want to make PDFs, then you'll need to install tinytex. Fortunately, it's super easy to install. You can do that right within R. You don't need admin privileges to install tinytex. Just within R, you install the package tinytex and then do tinytex, install tinytex. If you have mictex installed, then that's actually kind of a Windows thing. Let's just say if you have another LaTeX installation on your Mac, I would delete that, get rid of it. I am a LaTeX power user. I use it all the time, and tinytex works really great. So unless you have some reason to be using doing LaTeX outside of RStudio, then I would just use tinytex.